So I wanted to take a moment and show y'all an old duct detector, find out what's what on this. It's just numbered, as you can see. It's not like the new one from Simplex that shows what's what. So my SLC was MapNet and SLC, same thing, just different panels. Simplex calls it MapNet 1 and 3 is what it was landed on. And then I took my meter and I measured, well, what is this wire right here, red and black, and that's your 24 volts to power it. And then these two terminals are basically the same terminal, so 5 and 6, so that's your negative 24 volts, and 11, 13 is your positive, or excuse me, 12 and 13 is your positive. And down here, so you see two reds. So you come over here and look, and that red right there, sorry, I loosened it up already. That red, the black of it comes up here, ties to the black of the other one. So then you trace it back down, then that red comes up and then hits that black, goes somewhere, and then it goes over here to this red. So I took loose one leg of that and I metered across it on ohms, and it was short across that. So that's your common normally closed relay. Was these two wires right here. So that's basically how this thing is wired up. Figured I would show y'all that because that could be a little confusing to newer technicians whenever you see two of the same colored wire. Well, what's positive, what's negative, that's irrelevant. It's breaking, so just pretend that's a wire nut and that power's flowing through all that, and you're basically breaking that wire nut, and that kills power, shutting down things. So that's your shutdown, common, normally closed right there. And I'm fixing to wire up my new duct detector right there, and I'll show you how I wire that up as well. So it doesn't have an internal relay like this one does. It's got like a little PAM relay that goes with it. So just another note, just to be cautious of, do not short your powers together, because some of these older Simplex, they're not resettable power, they're fused power, and you'll blow the fuse and knock out everything that's on that. So do not let these blacks touch these reds right here. It'll kill it. So just be cautious whenever you're taking that out. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are welcome.